digital wasteland. You were sweating in the neon light. It was a coin lost in the system's maze. A vision as a room for freedom was my way to survive. I crashed the dust, it burned all away. Neon streets, standing here, we're block to block. Flickering screens, no safe to avoid. Big cities still surviving day by day. Will you ever break free from the chains that fiat made? Tonight, burning money, feel the burning money. Spending this lonely nights, taking more. Tonight, burning money, touch me, burning money. Show me your digital stash, burning cash. I'll never trust the system, judging or hear the lies. I think you're saying it's all going fine. No more banks, no more chains to bind, keeping us enslaved. Tell me how to break free from this night. Neon streets, standing here, we're block to block. Flickering screens, no safe to avoid. Big cities still surviving day by day. Will you ever break free from the chains that fiat made? Tonight, burning money, feel the burning money. Spending this lonely nights, taking more. Tonight, burning money, touch me, burning money. Show me your digital stash, burning cash. Tonight, burning money, feel the burning money. Feel the burning money, nights, taking more. Tonight, burning money, touch me, burning money. Show me your digital stash, burning cash. Tonight, burning money, feel the burning money. Tonight.
Wires tangle round our throats, no air to breathe. Metal minds control what we believe. Crypto kings laugh from their golden thrones. We built this cage, now we're all alone. Chained to the screens they built to enslave. No escape from the power we gave. Whispers your soul ain't your own. Dancing on the ruins of a broken drone. Empty factories rust just like our dreams. Jobs deleted by mechanical machines. Inflation's a fire that eats what we hold. Digital diamonds can't buy back our souls. Chained to the screens they built to enslave. No escape from the power we gave. AI whispers your soul ain't your own. Dancing on the ruins of a broken drone. Flirt with the fire of progress we made. Bought it back at the cost of our fate. No touch feels real, no voice sounds true. The future's here, but it ain't for you. We scream for freedom, sold for a bite. Fingers type wars no one wants to fight. to the screens they built to enslave. No escape from the power we gave. AI whispers your soul ain't your own, dancing on the ruins of a broken drone.
What's the second button? There is no second pass.
Oh, what's up, guys? What's up? Oh boy, here we go. What's up, guys? What is up? I got some not so exciting news. I got a job. I got a job, guys. I'm going back to work at McDonald's. I'm going back. How's it going? How's it going? We're officially in a bear market. Oh no! Oh no! Oh jeez, guys, how you doing? How you doing? Yes, yes, yes. Hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Yeah, that's right. Subscribe. Do all the things, guys. We need to try to get this show a little bit bigger, so I don't have to go, stay at working at McDonald's forever like I did last year. That was fun. That was fun. Hit the like, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Yes, all the things. It's like quantum easing. Tap the like and let's get that money. Jake, good evening, and yes, Otaku Chaos family. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's getting this money. I hope so too, Gamma. Yes, I hope so too. Happy Thursday, everyone. Happy Thursday. Of course, we got Milk Money in the house. Happy Thursday to you, especially my man. Jake the Snake says, yes, every time I think I'm done aping, Bitcoin just pulls me right back on in. Yep, I know the feeling, man. Monkey see, monkey do, yes. Let's go. MM25, happy Thursday. Milk Money NA guy, yes, Thursday. Thorough good Thursday. Yeah. I need one bourbon, one scotch, and one beer. Yes, yes, yes. Jake the Snake, yes, DCA until it hurts and push through the chaos and then repeat. Yeah, until it all comes crashing down and then continue to buy even more. Even more. Yes, yes, yes. Drink, and more drink. Yes. You know it, guys. You know it. We're not done drinking this week yet. We're still going through that bottle of Fireball. We're getting close though. Holy hell. Holy hell. That's a lot for me. That's all I'm telling you. That's a lot for me. In a single week. Are you kidding me? Yeah, that's a lot. Okay, it's payday and I have another month to make me some more bad decisions. It says Milk Money. Milk Money. Feel it, man. Feel it. Yes, I feel it. Do you guys feel it? I feel Bitcoin is going to probably go back down and retest 100,000 before the end of the night. That's what I'm feeling.
So much.
Oh, geez, guys. All right. I obviously I didn't go back to McDonald's. I was cleaning and I found my old getup. There we go, guys. There we go. Not quite that bearish yet. I'm just kind of trolling. But, yeah, 101, 400 on Bitcoin currently sitting at testing 101.5. We still have not broken down from our, trend line. We, of course, drew this morning. Let's get the dancing mascots out of here and see what we are dealing with. Again, some weird stuff happening in, over on X. It seems like every single country is starting to build some sort of treasury. Every single company, everything. Yet, yeah, the noise is still there. And no one is, taking the bait, right? No one's taking the bait. Everyone's, of course, continuing to sell off. We're starting to see more of a relief rally, more or less. It looks like every asset's pretty much up a tiny bit. fraction of a percent in the morning open for Japan. They of course just opened in an hour ago. So they're already 2 hours in their morning open. Right? No, they're already an hour in the morning open. Okay. All right. Just daylight saving times throw me off, man. I don't know why we do it. It's so stupid. It's so stupid.
What are you, stupid?
Yes. Okay. All right. Let's continue on. Anyway, guys, if you guys were here last night, you know exactly where we ended up, right? With Chaos Magic, of course, showing us Baseline Bear. That's exactly what we got, guys. Baseline Bear. Okay. Of course, for the ones who didn't catch the morning open.
We're gonna win so much.
Yep, and of course we continue to win so much, guys. Not the right way, not the right kind of winning. Just of course, Chaos Magic, doing its thing, showing us where we're likely to head, and we are pretty much heading back down and retesting the bottom of this channel. It's kind of weird, guys. It's kind of weird how that plays out. Oh my god. Right? Really kind of weird. Anyway, so it looks like, bear case scenario for Bitcoin, may be also continuing into this evening. It really depends on how much we're going to buy this dip. I also have an update on, if you guys were watching the live stream, this morning, we ran all the way until like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, waiting for Donald Trump to come out he was an hour late, around 12 o'clock. He came out, and you guys will not believe it. I have to talk about this right away, man. Remember we were talking about Ozempic, right? We were joking around about it. The whole entire, surprise, Ozempic was, that was the entire, emergency meeting we had, right? Over with Trump. But then we had found out later that the, person that collapsed was actually an Ozempic employee, at the Oval Office. So, I know you guys are joking about it, but shit!
What are you, stupid?
How does that happen? Things that make you go, I still believe the OZ zombie thing, man. All right. Drink CA. No DCA. Drink CA. I should put that in the thumbnail. Thanks again for the ideas, guys. Holy crap. Made it. Yes, Crypto Otaku made it. Yes, good evening. Also to Strawberry Dragons, good evening. Chaos Crew, good evening. Yes, we need more cowbell. Let's go. Does that count? Bullish delayed, not canceled. The planet is shifting. Digital monetary system says shift. Cliff says Cliff. Holy hell. Oh god. Alright, guys. Strawberry Dragon, Mad Adam, JPEG, of course, Gamer got us shouting out to everyone. Yo, Zempic! Easy. Ooh. Easy. Too soon. Come on. Jake and Six says, me and Helmo are hungry. 98. Oof. I gotta bring Helmo back. All right, I took him away during the live stream this afternoon just because I didn't want to, doom anything, but apparently I didn't have to. They're gonna doom themselves. Helmo is back on the board, guys. There he is. As we watch, the OZ executive collapse, I guess, on repeat. I didn't mean for that to happen. Anyway, let's, of course, continue on, guys. Let's continue on through our regular scheduled programming. Again, guys, going through the metrics as we do every single day, showing you, of course, we're likely to head next. All right, Bitcoin sitting at, again, 101.5, basically 101.5 this evening as the market opens for Japan. All right, let's zoom on in and see what we got to deal with tonight. All right, so it looks like we are still range bound, although stronger levels of support right around that 98K level where we bounced just the other day, right? So that's still in play. And then after that, we have the 97, the 96, 97, wherever that's landing right there. And then much lower, guys. I've been shouting from the rooftops about this one here since the end of October. That is $87,000 Bitcoin. All right, so prepare your butthole for that one. And I decided exactly what crystal I'm going to put on the board tonight. I tell you, Gamma, it's too bad you're not on tonight because we definitely could have used you for sure. Because this is kind of like the last line. If we lose it again tonight, if we go a little bit lower and retest 100,000, it's more than likely we are going to probably break on through there again. We're building up a little bit of support there, tiny bit. Let me see if I can get my I can't even get a smaller brush. I can't even get a smaller brush. Oh my God, really? Just let me. Nope, I can't. I can't. But you guys see what I'm talking about. Yeah, we are starting to build that support at 100,000, albeit very, very small and very, I guess, not as drastic as some of the stuff we are facing ahead and below. A lot more above us, of course, at $115,000 Bitcoin. We're still range bound, guys, at 100,000, which is not much support. And where the bulls and the bears want to fight. Next battleground is at 105,000. So we're now stuck between rock and a hard place. We're about ready to squeeze out, guys. This is what we call the classic short squeeze. Short squeeze. All right. So likelihood of us going down to retest those lows are pretty high again on the table tonight. All right. That's all I got to show you on that one. And as I'm saying that, we are coming down, back down to 101 to retest 101 just briefly. We'll see if it holds. A few big buys though. Looks like someone just bought $4 million right there on the live. All right, continuing on. U.S. national debt currently sitting at 38 trillion, 161 billion. Again, that's about 6 or 7 more billions of dollars than it was yesterday. Still hitting these crazy highs. It's crazy that we're getting close to $250 billion already in the month of November. All right, okay, Polymarket. Ooh. While we're here, I might as well get into it. Yeah, when will the government shutdown end? 27% now on the 8th to 11th. It's coming down. Remember when it was like 35, 40? Yeah, it's coming down now. We're still looking at about the most likelihood of it going through majority of November. Now going all the way up to back to 41% for the 16th and beyond. I also got some fun things to play with you guys on here. Look at this. Look at this crazy stuff. I can't believe I'm talking about this. This is going to be stupid. So I saw this right before the live stream. So Bitcoin, right? Now there's a 48% chance that Bitcoin hits $1 million before Grand Theft Auto 6 is released, according to Polymarket. Again, I had to cross-check this, right? I had to cross-check it. I can't just go with that. Yeah. Grand Theft Auto 6 is now on release on Thursday, guys, November 19th. 2026. So it just got delayed basically for another year. Yeah, now it's more, now they're betting on that on Polymarket, for Bitcoin to be, $1 million before the game comes out. And I went to go into Polymarket and check on this. Look at this. Oh, damn it. It's about ready to get flipped again, but I took a picture right before. Oh, damn it. I don't have it anymore. So we've got a 48% chance that Bitcoin hits $1 million before, Grand Theft Auto 6 comes out, but also we have a 48% chance that Jesus Christ is going to return as well. Who makes this crap up? Who's betting on this stuff? Do we have bots just sitting around betting on this stuff? I don't get it. Who wants to bet on this? Oh yeah, put me down for $300 on Jesus Christ coming back before Bitcoin hits $1 million. What the fuck? It's insane. You can't make this crap up. Yeah, Bitcoin was 1 point higher than 1% higher than Jesus right before the live stream, but it's flipped it again. Now they're down to 47. Oh no! And China invades Taiwan, sitting at 49. Crazy stuff, guys. All right. So yeah, that's of course Polymarket. We're still looking at a 74% chance of a 25 basis point cut in December. The job market is terrible, guys. It is terrible. I'm going to get into that over on the Real News segment at the end of the live stream. Fear and greed index sitting at 24, ending in extreme fear today for the stock market. Good, not great, guys. Not great right now. We got crypto fear and greed also sitting in extreme fear as well, 24. We have the Dixie still fighting to get back to 100 on the Dixie. Still not quite there yet. It did fight some resistance today, and it looks like it's probably not going to go back up there by the end of the week. I mean, unless we get some sort of crazy positive news out of America against another country, it's likelihood that, of course, the Dixie is going to continue to go down. I hope so, anyway. Risk on assets, of course, need it. Then we have, of course, the crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles right now. I've been looking pretty okay on the top 100. It's just kind of meh. Kind of sideways chop. When it comes to all these assets here. AIA, the agent AI, coming up 300% now on the day. We covered that this morning. I think it was only up maybe like 250 this morning, something like that, but it's ended up a little bit higher. I think it did come down a little bit. No, it's still about 50% higher than it was this morning. Crazy. We got Filecoin up 50%, 50% XTZ. This is, of course, Tezos. I can't believe it. Tezos broke out today. Insane. Only up 14 or 15% on the day, though. Fetch AI. All these coins I keep telling you about, all the AI coins are starting to move now. I've been telling you about how they were oversold the entire year. The entire trend has not played out until just now, starting to pop. ICP, Near Protocol, Caspa, and Dash. Zcash, of course, continuing to go up on the day as per usual. All right. What we got on the top 200 assets? Anything really moving on the upside? Not really. We got CCD up 20%. Concordium, never even heard of it. AR is up 35%. That's Arweave. I've definitely heard of that one before. Making its way back up in the ranks. Man, that fell a hell of a ton. Wow. Going back to 135. It was almost pushed out of the top 200 here recently. MYX. I know some of you guys in the chat are fans of MYX, I think, from what I've heard. Giggle's finally down, and Humanity's token is finally down. Guys, Humanity token just pumped 50%, what was it, just yesterday? And just rolled back down. Again, it's a new project. Still trying to find its bottom, and it has not found its bottom yet. It looks like... holy crap! It's got some way to go, but it might have just found it. It looks like it's still got a curve on it from where it landed. Giggle token, of course, that's that Binance meme coin. All right. That's of course the big movers on the day to the upside. Let's look what's going down currently right now. Virtual Protocol is down the most on the day, about 13-14%. Again, that just moved last week into this week. What's down the most now on the week? I'm looking for 20s and 30s now on the week, guys. We got nothing. IP story, that's down 24%. That's the only thing down that's relatively close to 20%, other than Arrow, OKB, and ENA, right? Athena. Other than that, everything else is pretty much kind of, it is what it is. Swede down on the week, 15% now. It doesn't look that interesting to me anymore. Say and Swede still down 43% on the month is definitely looking juicy to me, though. You guys saw me, I think it was this morning. Was it this morning? On the day, we'd already recovered since then, but this morning I bought $100 worth of Sui, just DCAing in, right in front of you guys, when it fell under $2. I was like, yep, I'm buying some of that before of course climbs back up. Now sitting pretty much 2 cents away. Say I'm also down 43%. Those are probably my two still big two picks on the top on 100 on the month. I don't know. Fetch AI is still pretty juicy at 56%, 82% down in the year. There's some other big movers on here, but I'm looking for 40s, 50s in the monthly sell off here. Render AI is still down 41%. Optimism's down 48%. I'm just gonna stick with what I know and love, and I'm gonna stick with Sui and Say. All right, guys. What's Solana doing? How's Solana doing? I actually told you guys I recommended Solana just a few days ago. It was down. I don't see it even down much at all here now. Where the hell's Solana? Yeah, it's only down 29% now on the month. All right, moving on. I remember when it was down 28% on the day. That was crazy. All right, so of course those are my top two picks in the top 100, top 200 assets right now on the month. Looking again for the same sort of thing, 40s and 50s. Jasmine's only 29% off. Radium's down 54% if you like Radium. The chart doesn't look great, but it is what it is. Gal's down 42%. Theta. What's something bigger, man? Something bigger. That Chain Opera AI is now moved in the top 200. It's already trying to find its bottom. Basically at a bottom right now, it looks like. That's horrendous. That chart. Jido is still down 52%. It's probably my number one pick in the top 200. XCN's down 42%. Those are probably going to be my top two, guys. Again, just kind of going with what I like and what I know. XCN's had a rough year. Did have a 362% up, run at the beginning of the year, but since then it's been kind of bleeding all of its gains. At one point, remember it was like 500 or 600% to the upside, maybe even more. Those gains are pretty much all bled out now. Yeah, those are probably going to be the top two I pick on the top 200. Zbeck is looking pretty juicy at 30% off, but I want 40s, man. On the month, I want a 40s. I want more blood. Again, those are my top two picks, guys, on the top 1 and 200. Again, what I would do with my sats, not yours.
I'd buy that for $1.
Yes. While we're still here, guys, let me catch up in the chat real quick before we get into some more of the news and metrics. Oh wow, Strawberry Dragon says overtime are now available because of the 10% flight cuts. I need to get my butt to make money and before I get booted out of my job. Yes, you do, Strawberry. I wish you luck. Guys, of course, Strawberry's about ready to get cut from her job. Wish her luck. Me and Helmo are hungry. Yes, I think that's exactly where I left off. You ain't going nowhere, Strawberry Dragons. They love you, Strawberry. Oh, geez, your strawberry scent. Jesus, you guys are nuts. Of course, our favorite flavor of dragon. Matt Adams says, cheers. I dub the Hero Cliffs. My friend, what? What the hell? What the hell, Cliff? Matt Adams shouting out to you. Matt, I'm in the building. Yes, Matt Adam. Get that dry powder, Strawberry. Yes, get that dry powder. As long as you possibly can. Benance really wants to get the Bears out the play, says Jake. Yeah, they do, don't they? They do. Make Lizzo obese again. Oh, no. Lizempic doesn't hit the same. Oof. They want to push that Max Payne. Oh, God. Guys, you're still talking about that stuff. Oh, no. You can take the fat out of the Lizzo, but you can never take the Lizzo out of the fat. What the hell, Jake? Oh, my God. And Jesus' return has great odds. Yeah, it does. It does. It's insane. The poly market about Grand Theft 6 is honestly an easy win if you bet the Bitcoin side. Oh, wow. Wow. You're basically betting on another delay or two. Another 2-year delay or something. Yeah, anyone check out Diddy? No. Yo, all OGs. Yeah, BMF, Brave Market Freedom and Kotaku wearing the not so Freedom McHurdy. Yeah. Yes, this is, this is McFreedom's, competition. Yeah. I had to go, man. I gotta make some dry powder, damn it. I got a good rep at McDonald's, man. They'll let me in anytime. Anytime. All right, Solana is sexy AF. Yes, Braveheart. My Z-Beck brings all the boys to the yard. Oh my God, here you go. The bots in the stream the other day making me wonder if the robots' brains were looking at the Crypto Otaku and Chaos Family with what they're up to. The robots are here and our future is no longer sci-fi. Yeah, I was saying that last night. I was like, I wonder if the bots were rating the show because they found some sort of copyright material that they would make money off of if I streamed long enough or something. I don't know, guys. There's always something. Zbeck is juicy. Zbeck is juicy always. Yes, I told you to buy Zek. Yes. I'll take some Zbeck shots. Oh my God, you guys are really doing this? Oh God. And Xano does not help either. Privacy coins under $13 max. Yes. Zcash, yeah, we'll be smashing. Also, McDonald's doesn't hire crypto bros, says Scrubulous. You're right. Scrub's absolutely right. You guys got me. They came out and said that. On X, that's right. Hugo, yes, easy big out. Yep. All right, guys, I think we're caught up in the chat. All right, I'm going to continue on with the metrics. More doom, guys, more doom. Bitcoin hits 60% dominance this week. Has not left it. It's still, oh my God, we're still rising. That's on the day. This is on the week. Still going sideways. Looking tight too. Like it's going to bounce again and retest that 61% like we saw just the other day back on Tuesday. All right, guys. So yeah, still Bitcoin is still sitting at 60%.
This
what?
entire idea of like 60% dominance is bullshit, ridiculous, stupid.
But here we are. All right. And of course, my favorite metric to share with you guys every single day. That is, of course, where Bitcoin's sitting at with the amount on exchanges. This is all that's left, guys. This is it. This is all that's left. Go in that bucket and dig in. Find a little bit of Bitcoin. Coming up just slightly. I did mention that this morning. We did check it this morning. So again, we'll get an update tomorrow for today. And we'll see what happens. I'll see how all the money is moving into, these assets or not. My bet's on Bitcoin. Anyway, $3.38 trillion market cap today. We covered this on the live too while we're waiting for Donald Trump to come out. We did fall down to near lows for the month of November. It's definitely the low for the month of November. But we got to come back. We got to at least hold 3.35 3.35. If we lose 3.35, then we could come back and probably retest 3.25, 3.2, 3 flat. That would be scary if we go back down to $3 trillion in market cap. So yeah, we are still kind of bleeding out of market cap. Looking at Tether, of course, seeing if all the money is coming back into at least our space. It looks like some of it's leaving though, as Tether is coming down to 183 billion. I think down from a high of what 185. No, I take that back. This is all-time highs for market cap. Okay, I take everything back. This is fine. I was probably thinking of I was thinking of XRP's market cap. Yeah, which was 160, now down to 130. What is that? 133. Wow, XRP, bleeding again in market cap, down to $133 billion in market cap now. Let's take a look. Down from its high of 191 billion. Damn near 200 billion when it flipped pretty much everything else with top three. Remember that? I do. That's back when BNB was still above us. Remember when BNB also flipped everything else? It's kind of crazy how that all works out. Anyway, BNB is currently sitting at $954, and that's pretty much all that's really moving in the top 10. Again, that's why I mentioned those when we jump into the coin market cap, because that's the only thing really moving in the top 10. We still, of course, have Cardano at number 10, Dogecoin number 9, Tron at 8, and of course USDC at number 7. Beyond that, still Hyperliquid, Chainlink, and then we got Bitcoin Cash moving up here at number 13, with Athena, Stellar, Zcash, Leo now. Wow, Leo now is ahead of Sui. Wow, Avalanche is at number 20, knocking Litecoin out of the game. This is crazy, guys. What is going on? What is happening? Oh, man. Maximus Diamond Hands, of course, told everyone to short XRP. All my trades are in the Discord under the trades category. Guys, don't forget to hit off the Discord, and of course, check out what Maximus Diamond Hands is talking about over on our Discord page. I'm actually, I might as well just share it while I'm already here. So guys, if you want to join in, all you have to do is hit the link down below in the description, hit the rules page, get on access over there. You just got to click on this little icon right here to gain access, and it will send you on over to the lobby. You cannot control the chaos over here. Hell yeah. Oh man. Of course, Cody's rocking out. And I'm welcoming, of course, more people to the chaos every single day. And of course, we've been sharing. There's no stop to this. Last night, if you guys weren't here, we celebrated the Beaver Moon with Sydney Sweeney. I don't know why. And we even made a big Beaver Moon indicator last night. That was crazy. All right, guys. All right, again, can't stop, won't stop sharing the chaos. All right, moving back into the news, guys. Let's catch up in the chat one more time, and I'll jump into the news. All my trades, yes, of course, Maximus, are on the Discord. Never been in Discord. I'm scared. No time, says Brave, for the Discord. I understand, man. There's only have so much time for this world. The Beaver Moon meal deal still available at Brave Farming Freedoms. Yes. Now you pay double if you wear a McDonald's memorabilia. 1,400 sats for a meal. That's actually pretty cheap, actually. It's like $14 right now. If we hit 98K, it's probably going to be like, what is it? Like $12, $13. All right, moving on. Let's see what we got for the news today, guys. Tether and Crane shares forge alliance to drive global tokenizational efforts. Take a look at that. Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs stay red despite the inflows. We can take a look at that. Billionaire Ray Dalio says Fed's quantitative easing pivot risks fueling the bubble. Yeah. we can take a brief moment into that. I love the doom as always. That's pretty much all I see really here for Bitcoin.com news. All the other stuff we pretty much read this morning, or of course the rest of the week. Tether and Crane shares a forge alliance to drive global tokenization efforts. Hadron and by Tether, the asset tokenization platform of Tether, has entered a strategic partnership with global asset firm Crane Shares and regulated platform Bitfinex Securities to accelerate the development and adoption of tokenized securities across the international markets. According to the release shared with Bitcoin.com News, the alliance brings together technical infrastructure, regulatory experience, the distribution strength, and to connect traditional financial markets with blockchain-based systems. The announcement notes that the global tokenized securities sector, currently valued at $30 billion, is projected to approach $10 trillion by 2030. All these numbers, just keep going to that date, signaling growing institutional appetite for on-chain capital formation. CraneShares, best known for managing the world's largest Chinese-focused investment fund, will work alongside Hadron. I'm assuming it's Hadron. And Bitfinex, wow, Bitfinex is rolled in there too, securities, to explore tokenized exchange-traded products and expand investor access. Hadron and by Tether, that's a product by Tether, provides the technology stack for secure and scalable tokenization, while Bitfinex Securities contributes its regulatory foundation and secondary market trading capabilities via licenses from El Salvador's National Commission of Digital Assets, the CNAD, and Kazakhstan's Astana International Financial Center. Man, Kazakhstan's getting amazingly rolled up in crypto technology. It's insane. I can't talk about them enough here recently, apparently. Of course, with them being one of the biggest miners now in the in the world, and of course now, trying to get a Bitcoin treasury going in their nation state. All right, moving on. What else we got? Bitcoin, Ethereum ETFs stay red despite inflows. We of course still have more people still being scared out, and more institutions still doubling down and going on in. I think there was a big announcement today. We're going to get that in the real news segment on ARK shares, also in BlackRock, still buying the dip. It was another choppy day for crypto exchange traded funds, ETFs, as the teased a turnaround, but ended up deepening the losses. Bitcoin and Ethereum funds saw inflows across multiple issuers, yet outsized redemptions by the market leaders kept the streak of net outflows alive. Meanwhile, Solana's ETF continued to chart their own course, building on a week-long pattern of steady growth despite the price action. Bitcoin's ETFs offered early signs of recovery with the inflows across 5 major funds, but the optimism didn't hold. Fidelity's FBTC led the day with $113 million in fresh capital, followed by ARK Invest. This is exactly what I was just mentioning. So it was actually Fidelity and ARK Invest. They just also purchased the dip at $82.94 million. Grayscale's Bitcoin Mini Trust added the $21.6 million, and Bitwise BitB brought $16.6 million, and VanEck HODL chipped in $3.6. However, the crushing $375 million dollar outflow from BlackRock's IBIT single-handedly erased those gains, leaving Bitcoin ETFs with a net of $137 million outflow. The 6th straight day in red. Trading volume hit $4 billion with a net assets sliding to $139 billion. All right, well, there you have it. So a quick little update on, of course, the whales accumulating. And people getting scared out of Bybit, apparently. Billionaire Ray Dalio says Fed's quantitative easing pivot risks fueling bubble level euphoria. Billionaire investor Ray Dalio says the Federal Reserve's latest pivot towards easy money looks like a crisis management and more like dangerous encore, stimulating an already bubbly market rather than saving a sinking one. I don't want to spend too much time on this. We've read so many articles from Ray Dalio here recently. The billionaire investor says the move looks like the stealth stimulus at precisely the wrong time into a market that's already frothing over the speculation. Dalio's recent X article, aptly titled "Stimulating into a Bubble," argues that the Fed's decision to stop shrinking its balance sheet and start adding liquidity again may be a technical in name only. In his words, any way you cut it, it's an easing move. The timing, he warns, is what makes it risky. Instead of rescuing an economy on the brink, the Fed could be fanning the flames of an emerging bubble. One he believes is already visible via our artificial intelligence stocks and broader equity market. All right. That's pretty much all I'm going to read there because we've already read enough of that this week. All right. VanEck. What do we got from VanEck? Securitized VanEck. Was that Bling? What the hell? Bring V-Bill tokenized treasury fund to Aave. Interesting. I haven't heard from Aave in a while either. Avi's Horizon Market, the DeFi protocol, is an institutional grade platform for real world assets. RWAs is getting a major boost with Securitized and VanEck bring their tokenized treasury funds V-Bill to the platform. Integration powered by Chainlink's NavLink Oracle technology represents another leap toward bridging traditional finance and decentralized finance DeFi together. All right, so it looks like V-Bill is added as a eligible collateral. Institutions can borrow stablecoins against their V-Bill holdings, and integration into Avi's Horizon is underpinned by Chainlink's NavLink and Llama Guard Nav oracles. All right. I think I'm over that. But yeah, good for them. Bringing more ways to borrow your money against your assets. Your AI trading bot may have a gambling problem. Oh, geez. I'm not really feeling any of these articles over here on cryptonews.net. Grand Theft Auto 6 preview. We know it's not coming out now until at least next year. Accumulator addresses have accelerated their Bitcoin acquisition, jumping from 173,000 Bitcoin in October to 387,000 Bitcoin. On October 6th, whales quietly buy the dip as Bitcoin tests 100,000. I swear we read that this morning. I'm pretty sure we read this morning. Whales signal a new hope for Bitcoin price. According to crypto quant data, while it's holding between 1,000 and 10,000, added around 29,600 Bitcoin in the last 7 days. Analyst G.A. Martin noted that the combined balance sheet of these whales wallets rose from 3.4 million to 3.5 million Bitcoin. This marks the first major accumulation phase since late September. All right, I'm over it. All right, CoinDesk. What we got on CoinDesk today? U.S. government shutdown stretches to record 36 days. Continues risk of derailing the crypto bill. We covered that one actually this morning or yesterday. That one's kind of old. That's still the name of the game. If we do not get this passed, Cynthia Lomas says it's already set up and ready to go. But if we do not get the shutdown over with before before Thanksgiving, there's no more runway left. They're going to go on holiday, and we're going to be looking at 2026 for passing these structure bills. So keep that in your mind. Possibly there's more doom ahead because of that. Okay. Institutions are buying the privacy coin hype, but will it last? That's a good one. We've been talking about this now for a couple weeks now. Of course, Zcash still making new highs. And of course, Monero, not too far behind it now. Was it Dash? Was the other fast cash token or whatever? All right. So yeah, crypto market continues to face declines. Privacy coins have demonstrated a rather surprising surge. Grayscale's research into October 2025, a report notes that although crypto valuations were broadly lower in October, a major exception of the Zcash network's token, which gains 248% during the month and reached a market cap of $6.5 billion. Litecoin, Monero, and Dash also have and shown increased adoption as demonstrated by CoinMarketCap's list. I don't know, man. I wouldn't really loop Litecoin in here when Litecoin hasn't even it just lost the top 20. I mean, what the hell? What are we talking about here? Okay, a closer look at privacy coins. Although it may come as a surprise, the privacy coins are gaining popularity. Industry experts believe such a phenomenon was bound to happen. My personal theory on this is that they're doing it to launder money towards the end tax season. This is the end of the year and the end of a cycle year at that. All right, post-halving cycle. Privacy coins are the only narrative shining green this quarter. 39% in the last 3 months, while every sector bleeds out hard. Who saw this coming? IDK. Howard Wu, CEO of Provable, and creator Leo, ecosystem experts leveraging privacy solutions for blockchain, told Crypto News that privacy is becoming a heightened priority. Wu notes that this is due to market's focus on financial infrastructure for real-world use cases. The needs of enterprises and institutions differ from that of early crypto adopters, Wu said. With the enterprise blockchain sector expecting to reach $287 billion by 2032, institutions have turned to privacy coins to achieve solutions and offer some form of confidentiality. Grayscale's report explains that Zcash is decentralized digital currency like Bitcoin, and it incorporates optional privacy features such as shielded accounts and transactions. Shielded transactions on Zcash hide the sender, receiver, and transaction amount using zero-knowledge proofs. Zcash network uses cryptography to let users choose whether a transaction is public or shielded. According to Grayscale's findings, demand for these features has grown. The share of Zcash supply is shielded addresses and has increased about 30% from an average of 10% in 2024. And institutions leverage privacy coins. And how do they do that? While traders are using Zcash, institutions are starting to leverage privacy tokens for a number of use cases. Carter Feldman, founder of the CEO Psi Protocol, a layer 1 blockchain focused on privacy, told Crypto News that institutional use of Zcash primarily revolves around 2 areas. First, for selected privacy and token transactions, where institutions can leverage Zcash's shielded pools to conduct confidential transfers while retaining the ability to disclose for details for audits or compliance via view keys. Additionally, Feldman pointed out that the investment vehicles like Grayscale Zcash Trust, which allows investors indirect exposure to Zcash, have steadily grown in assets under management as well. Such products indicate the institutions are actively diversifying their portfolios to include privacy-enhancing assets, as he said. The importance of privacy. Of course, we all know the importance of privacy. I really don't want to read all that. Oh my God. Privacy versus anonymity. And regulatory and technical challenges. Here we go. With this in mind, Lee noted this number of regulatory challenges will create barriers for institutions and enterprises using privacy coins. For example, there have been a number of crackdowns by exchanges listing privacy tokens in places like Korea. When Litecoin launched its privacy layer, LTC was delisted from exchanges in Korea, which made it difficult for users to acquire Litecoin and use the token. The United States has also expressed concern recently about privacy tokens. It finalized FinCEN's proposed rule, which will require exchanges and institutions to keep records and report any transactions over $500 involving an unhosted wallet if the transaction is private or encrypted. The U.S. has also sanctioned specific privacy tools like Tornado Cash. That's another one that takes me back. Linking them to money laundering and terrorism. Eric Jordan, head of research and blockchain analysis and chain analysis, told Crypto News that one of the biggest challenges in institutions exploring privacy tokens is finding the right balance between protecting their privacy and allowing for lawful oversight. Privacy features may include transactions that are more complicated to trace, but institutions still need to be confident that they can meet the compliance requirements and investigate suspicious activity when it occurs. In the end, building trust will come down to showing the privacy and accountability can work hand in hand. Technical challenges also associated with the privacy coins are fixed supply of tokens. It seems that with Bitcoin becomes complicated with privacy coins. You need to use advanced cryptography to prove that no additional coins have been created out of thin air, he says. There could be a quantum attack against privacy coins that may create hidden inflation. We also added that the transactions often take longer to process when using privacy coins due to their potential hidden inflation. Okay. Oof, man, this is a lot longer than I thought it was going to be. Challenges aside, it's clear that the demand for on-chain privacy is growing and will continue to increase. We're seeing that not just the base layer, but with the emergence of next-generation blockchains designed for privacy observing smart contracts like Psi, Miden, and Aztec. Feldman said that these privacy coins like eCash are gaining attraction during the current bear market may be a trend. People are always chasing the next big thing, and privacy becomes a hot topic when more people hear about privacy coins. There you go. So yeah, that seems to be the current narrative with Zcash. And there's still a regulatory, hurdle. It still has to go through a lot of countries, but it looks like the Zcash is still the one I think that has the most regulatory clarity in the United States. Anyway, all right, moving on. All right, guys, what else we got here? Coinbase was hit with a $24 million fine after critical tech errors left suspicious transactions unscreened. That's another, lawsuit going their way. Shiba Inu price prediction. Nothing else really here I want to go over, to be honest. Darknet. Oh boy, Russian Darknet. Kathy Wood, we talked about this morning. If you guys didn't catch it, we'll go over it again just briefly. Kathy Wood drops her Bitcoin forecast by $300,000. She says the stablecoins are eroding market share. What does this mean? Well, her $1.5 million Bitcoin expected price by 2030. She's now dropping that to 1.2 million. So that's what this is all about. And again, we covered that this morning. So I don't want to get too far into it. But she's still, of course, very bullish, and obviously her ARK Invest is still buying more Bitcoin today. So it's not like we're gonna be, turning the ship around anytime soon. She just thought that the stablecoins were going to take a little bit more of the market cap, and emerging markets economies will go into stablecoins. All right, so that's of course just a quick little synopsis of this. So I don't want to get into that again. Bitcoin is 68,000 too low, $68,000 too low versus gold, says JP Morgan. We talked about that also this morning. So basically, an executive over at JP Morgan saying that Bitcoin was $68,000 too low at current market value. All right. What else do we got? Anything else? I think we covered pretty much everything. All the big breaking stuff anyway. Let's just do one more check on Daily Hodl, my favorite one to leave for last. Employees at major U.S. bank accused of draining customers' accounts. Oh boy. Scams, hacks, breaches, nothing to do with crypto. What else do we have here? Anything really related to Bitcoin today? Robinhood crypto revenue skyrockets over 300% in Q3 amid surging trading volumes. Also, guys, Robinhood's looking to actually create a Bitcoin reserve as well. We're going to get that and over the real news segment as well over on X. Ripple lands $500 million investment led by Fortress and Citadel. I think we talked about that yesterday. Analyst outlines best case scenario for Bitcoin after Bitcoin drops below 100,000. Says it's do or die now. Do or die now for Ethereum. All right, that's pretty much it. We're up to date. Okay. All right. Of course, we're going to get into X. Where the hell did my X go? I lost that page. There we go. I'll just bring that back up real quick. There we go. Okay, let me get back in the chat before we get into it, guys. But if you like what you're seeing here tonight, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe as we're trying to build the channel up to 1,500 to give away more of these, guys. Guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I need to show harder for the King of Ohio. Yes, let me get back in the chat and catch up with you guys. Let's see what you guys are talking about. Yes, chili. I knew it was in there somewhere. Thanks again, Jake. I saw that in the corner of my eye. Again, shout out to Jake the Snake, my partner in chaos.
Oh, the King of Ohio, Jake the Snake, the keeper of wrenches, the painter of lead pipes, the igniter of dumpster fires.
I give Jake a lot of credit here on the channel. I don't know what I would do with half of you guys, man. I really don't know what I would do without half of you guys. All right, mixing another drink for the chaos. All right, so yes, how poetic, says Nebula Nerd. To Jake the Snake, he says, I've survived the fire in the markets because the fire within me burned brighter. Damn it, Jake, I love you so much. Yes, crack open a cold one, says Jake. I'm still pouring the fireball, man. We got to get through that bottle. This week is a bear, man. It's a bear. Shout out to the Chaos crew. Cheers. This one's for you. Jeez. The molder of metals. Otaku is looking like he got off of his Mickey D's job and went right to the live. That's what I used to do, man. That's what I used to do. I'm going back to doing it again. Here we go. Michael Burry putting in $1 billion against Nvidia and Palantir. That's insane. That's insane. Is that true? Is that a real number? That's crazy. If you guys don't know who Michael Burry is, he was, of course, the person that predicted. There's a whole movie about him. There's probably like 2 movies about him, I think. Was it Margin Call? That was the big one. Yeah, of course, calling the great financial crisis of 2008. Thank you. Yes, I have multiple streams, baby. Yes. It's too many streams. Stream after stream after stream. Mickey D's, yes, just got off me, and now I'm ready to make some spare change. You got some? Nebs is on the streets trying to make he's ready to try to make a buck tonight, guys. He's looking for handouts too. Gamma guy says, Hound, I'm being generous, Nebs. You know what? Oh, damn. He just slapped you. Oh, damn. Gamma just slapped Nebs. Damn. Pit hand's strong now. Oh, you got to get back to work apparently. Shit. Dip before the rippy, the dippy before the rippy on Litecoin says rise up. Yeah, of course they got their ETF delayed, didn't they? Pretty sure they didn't get their ETF. It was supposed to happen at the end of October. Because of the government shutdown, they didn't get anything. Maximus Diamond has, in the current one, we have trade popular coins, not the old boomer zombie coins, says Maximus. She said, to be humble, sit down. Oh my god. Because says the privacy coins might be really used as all of us get the data goes on chains. Yeah, oh yeah, major adoption usage for sure. That's how we're going to be pretty much paying each other back and forth, I think, instead of using Venmo and that sort of thing. Although I did tell you guys, what was it, yesterday? That the IRS has now cut the mandatory $500 income, right? If you made side income of $500 or more, you had to report it to the IRS. Now you don't. Yes, now you don't. It's a good day, guys. It's a good day. I'll drink to that. Yeah, I might actually close my business up and just start, because now it's, again, the maximum is 20 grand. I'm not going to make 20 grand. All right, yes. Hey, Cody, how's it going? Gamma, how's it going? They call it necessary for banks and yet bastardized energy. Joes and Jessicas that get privacy coins claiming that they are pursuing criminal behavior. I'ma buy it when they buy in HODL. Yes. Nice work. Top rose, diamond, and bottom rose, gold. Gold. Jeez. Damn, Braveheart. Braveheart McFreedom rules for thee and not for me, says the king. Of course. Jake the Snake. Then I'm gonna sell and turn it on and keep it as a tool, a possibility for the dystopian future. Hedging bets is how I see it. Xano. Yeah, Xano. God. Oh man. You want some Zback or Xano merch? What the hell, Jake? Braveheart. Partners in chaos, yes. For all time, my man. I love you, Jake. I'm also having maybe a little tipsy already. We built the chaos brick by brick. That's right. One goddamn brick at a time. Otherwise, it would be a mad king talking to myself and maybe otaku sometimes. Yeah, yep. And I'd be sitting here eating soups in the basement, just kind of twiddling my thumbs. Gamma Goss, yes, damn right. Brick by brick, 100% Gamma, yep. She got it too. Yes, cheers, guys, cheers. Yeah, Big Short. Yeah, the Big Short. That was the other one too. That's right, Big Short, margin call. You guys make me want to take up booze. Oh no, that's bad. I don't normally drink on weekdays, but you know what? This has been a week, and Gamma got us started it. I'm gonna blame her. Jacob 6 says, drinking is acceptable at all times and places, just depends on the context. Yes, drunk man is an honest man, Otaku. Well, it depends on the man, right? You have angry drunks, you have happy drunks. I find myself to be more of a happy drunk. No shilly, merchy. Oh, yes. I gotcha. Merch. All right. Okay, guys, we're shilling merch now. Let's see what I can do. If you guys, I like what you see here and I want to take a piece of that home with you. The store is open. Yes, the link's in the description down below. And we have hats, we have t-shirts, we have mugs. Actually, I got two more in my kitchen, I think. Yes, and the one I drink out of every morning now. I love that one. Yeah, but I love the run of the mascots the most. I'm gonna probably give my mom that one. When I see her next. But yeah, we got stickers. I actually just decked out my laptop with all those stickers, man. It's freaking awesome. I love them. They're really good quality too. I still have a big one. I don't know where I'm gonna put that yet. All right, so yeah, stickers. We got socks hopefully coming this week, man. I've been delayed on my socks. We got hoodies. That's right, I got hoodies. I got t-shirts. I got a little bit of everything. Of course, the big one, the chaos the chaos crew hoodie, back and forth. Yeah, this one's awesome. I also have that graphic on a whiskey glass. Let's see what else we got. We got t-shirts, we got hoodies, we got a little bit of everything for everyone. Hats, yes, even another hat. A little bit of everything. Yes, whiskey glasses, and of course mouse pads, which I'm using on my laptop now too. This one's freaking awesome. It's freaking beautiful. Love it. All right, guys. So again, Shilly the merch store, guys. Shilly the merch store again. Thanks again, Braveheart McFreedom, for reminding me. All right. And yeah, I only make about $5 per transaction. So yeah, it doesn't. It's more for you guys. It's not so much for me. All right. Anyway, Cody Bakula says I'm ordering another hoodie to the jewelry shop instead of the house. Cody, no. I told you, my man. I'm gonna ship you a hoodie. It's good, my man. It's good. I'm gonna ship you a hoodie. Need the black hoodie with the orange Bitcoin symbol. Oh, I see. I could work on something like that. I'm going to do another round of merch while I'm in Florida, guys. So try to keep myself busy while I'm down in Florida. I'll be leaving on the 16th, so I'll keep you updated as you get closer to that date. I'll be there until I think the beginning of December. I'm going to be going out there for a while. Of course, doing the show as I normally do it. I'm a toilet hugging drunk, says Scrub. What, really? So I've never gotten sick. I can't drink anything fast enough to get sick. So I've never gotten hungover, and I've never gotten like thrown up over well, maybe once. I think I might have thrown up once from drinking. I get philosophical, then vomity, says Jake. You sound like a fun drunk, man. I love some philosophy while I'm drunk. I'm a bottomless pit, says Jay Guy. Damn, you look good with the hat, brother. Thanks. Always remember to stay hydrated. It really helps, says A Guy. Yes, 100%. My worst nightmare is actually being dehydrated and drinking vodka. I think it was the only time I ever threw up while drinking was vodka. Not a big fan. But anyway, speaking of other things, we're looking at this here. Of course, looking at the doom scrolling over on X. I have a whole bunch of stuff I want to show you guys. So this morning we of course covered some of these. Of course, Kathy Wood saying she's moved her target from 1.5 to 1.2 million by 2030. Still the same target that I started this journey with. Doesn't change my prospect at all. It's still exactly the same target I was dealing with since the very beginning. 1 million by 2030. 1 million by 2030. It's what I told myself since 2020. All right, just in. South Korea's second largest party urges government to legalize Bitcoin ETFs as soon as possible. Asia's adopting Bitcoin. It's coming. And then we also had India. I talked about this morning. This was big. India's not anywhere near pro-crypto at all. And they ruled that Bitcoin and crypto assets are a form of property and they be owned and held in a trust and protected under law. This gives investors, protection and holds exchanges accountable in India. That's huge. I think people are under appreciating that announcement today. Franklin Templeton saying, of course, that they're launching a new tokenized USD money market fund in Hong Kong. Of course, I still think Hong Kong is in the lead for crypto capital of the world, despite what America says. Just in $117 billion, Robinhood just said that they are considering buying Bitcoin for its balance sheet. And yeah, they're going to do it.
Treasury strategy.
Probably.
Shiv, what do you think about that one?
So we spent a lot of time thinking about this. We like alignment with the community. We are a big player in crypto. We want to keep doing it. We like that our customers are engaged in it. What we always try to figure out is it the right thing for shareholders as well? If you put it on your balance sheet, it has the positives in that you're aligned with the community, but it does take up capital. Our shareholders can also go and buy Bitcoin directly on Robinhood, and so are we making that decision for them? And is it the best use of our capital? There's a lot of different things you're doing, from new products for growth, investing in engineering. So we have this debate constantly, and I think the short answer is we're still thinking about it. There's pros and cons to both of it. And it's one that we're going to keep actively looking at.
Cryptocurrency.
All right. We also had CNBC announcing corporate job cuts surging past 1 million so far this year, with 153,000 new layoffs just in October alone, according to Challenger. That is the worst October since 2003.
About the health of the job market, Steve Leisman joins us with the latest numbers from Challenger on job cuts. What's going on?
Yeah, well, this is like a clue from like a cough or a sneeze or whatever, but announced corporate job cuts, Andrew, in the U.S. surging past 1 million so far this year, with 153,000 new layoffs announced just in October, according to Challenger. That is the worst October since 2003. Here are the numbers. October up 153. That compares with September. That's 100,000 more than September, and 100,000 more than this time last year in October 2024. Andy Challenger commenting, some industries are correcting after the hiring boom of the pandemic, but this comes as AI adoption, softening consumer and corporate spending, and rising costs drive belt tightening and hiring freezes. Announced layoffs don't always lead to actual cuts and could take place from attrition, but the report puts in perspective what we've been reporting here day after day, week after week. Series of marquee announcements unveiled in recent weeks across U.S. industries, including UPS, Amazon, Target, among others, Paramount, Rivian, all these companies there. Government has been responsible year to date for 308,000. But look at that, tech 141. That could be where you see a lot of the AI, maybe some in warehousing, but a big chunk of that's going to be UPS, as well as potentially some hit from reduced flows of trade. Retail's up there, as is services at 64,000. You take out the Doge cuts, the number's a bit better at 800,000, but still well above last year.
Damn.
Salary doesn't see much in the way of hiring, saying announced plans are 35% below last year, and they're skeptical about the number of new hires for the holiday season.
Oh yeah, they're cutting a lot of holiday jobs too, from what I heard. Yep. All right. Yeah. Also, yeah, that was of course the original post I had found from Bitcoin hits $1 million, now up to 48%. Now it's 49% chance. Before Grand Theft Auto 5's release. Geez. Okay. I think we're up to date on that. I do want to do some doom scrolling, of course, unfiltered doom scrolling over on X and see what we can find. See what we may have missed on breaking news today. All right. The robots. Yes. I did actually share that. Yes. I forgot. I skipped over that one. Oh, yeah. That one was cool too. Yeah. There's this one. Elon Musk celebrating, of course, that he's going to be getting that $1 trillion paycheck. If, of course, he can come through with, what was that, 1 million robots shipped in the first year or something like that? Woo! Or, I don't know, 1 billion robots? I don't remember the numbers. But yeah, this is coming off the back that 75% they voted yes in compensation packages worth up to $1 trillion. So yeah, crowd erupted Elon. Woo! Elon. He's gonna get it. He's gonna be the first trillionaire. Before Michael Saylor. All right, update. Trump Genius Act debate heats up. Coinbase argues non-issuers should be allowed to pay stablecoin interest. Of course, Brian Armstrong has something to say about that. Bank groups push Treasury to ban yield across the board. And yeah, Coinbase is gonna definitely fight their way through it. Because, I mean, I guess it is, technically it's up to them. They should be able to be allowed to pay interest on stablecoins, if they're not an issuer. I mean, that should be up to them to do, just like a promotion. Anyway, alright, let's see what else we got. I want to share this one. This is crazy. China insanity. Hot new robot accused of being a human suit. The CEO goes live to swear it's not me. Reverse Turing test is live, and they end up tearing it down live on the scene to show everyone it's not a human in a suit. Look at these live movements though. These movements look like legit real. It's pretty damn close to the real thing. You can see a little bit of the servos locking as they swing, but we're here. We're there. All right. So I had to share that one as well. I didn't want to forget that one. Okay, let's see some more doom scrolling, guys. More doom scrolling. Again, I just showed you this one. Fidelity scooped up 113 million in ARK Invest, added 83 million in Bitcoin, both seizing the discount. I already covered that earlier. I had to cover it again. Elon Musk, yes. Optimus will actually eliminate poverty, and Optimus will actually give people incredible medical care. And Optimus will ultimately be better than the best human surgeon with the level of precision that is impossible. It's beyond human, but beyond. All right. That's what he said there. I probably said it a lot. I did say it a lot faster than he did. He stutters a lot. Anyway, do you like money? Michael Zeller asking you, are you frustrated with only getting 0.3% or 30%? Stretch your income, according from Michael Saylor. Jeez. Breaking, take 2 stocks fall as much as 18% after announcing that, Grand Theft Auto 6 will be delayed until next year. This time next year, a whole year. Crazy. Just in $11.6 trillion, Charles Schwab CEO says that they'll be getting to offer Bitcoin trading in 2026. We're having a lot of success in crypto space, according to Charles Schwab.
Well, we're having a lot of success in the crypto space.
Blind.
Our clients are engaged in it today. If you look at the exchange-traded products that are crypto-related, our clients actually own 20% of them. And our clients are coming to our research site 90% more than they were last year. So as a group, our clients are engaged in it, very interested in it. And for most people, they're not actually going onto the blockchain to spend or use Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. And so for them, the exchange-traded product is a safe and comfortable way for them to invest. All that said, we will get into spot crypto, and we plan to do that in the first half of next year. And we're thrilled about that because we know we have lots of clients who are have the vast majority of their assets at Schwab, but are holding some at digitally native firms and keep asking us to launch this so that they can bring their crypto assets to us. And we're thrilled to be able to do that.
How you're launching Bitcoin trade.
All right, so Charles Schwab is getting involved like everyone else. Everyone's getting involved, and next year is going to be huge for all crypto assets, apparently. That's what everyone's saying in the banking industry anyway. Leo in the house. How's it going, Leo? Welcome, my man. Welcome. Salute. We're still, drinking with the Chaos crew tonight. And there's that same robot again. No person. There's no person inside this suit. It is a robot. Bakula! Jake the Snake also shout out to, Cody in the house, man. Cody in the house. Oh, yeah, these robots are getting crazy, man. They're getting nuts. Bank of England. Today, the Bank of England pledges to roll out stablecoin rules just as quickly as the U.S. and concerns about it falling behind. As they should be. Is the UK finally catching up? Probably. They're going to try. Just in, Bitcoin wallets bought 10,000 worth, $1 billion in the past 24 hours, according to Bitcoin Archive. We got Mr. Beast. Oh boy. The world's largest YouTuber, Mr. Beast. 500 million followers. That's crazy, really. Filed a trademark launch to launch Mr. Beast Financial. This is the second time we've mentioned this on the channel. I thought this is crazy. Bitcoin and crypto-focused bank app. All right. Of course, we're just talking about that. I think we're already caught up with all the news. I think this man deployed a built-in drone to see the traffic ahead. I've seen this technology before in China too. Ooh, look at that! A firefighting robot. That's cool. Yes, the future is here. Good dog. Put out those fires so I don't have to die. All right. Just in, Nancy Pelosi officially announces her retirement from the U.S. Congress. Yes, we mentioned this last night and this morning. Over 38 years in Congress with an average annual salary of $142,000. But her net worth has grown to $282 million. That's insane. And of course, we have an entire bill named after her to try to stop insider trading, which she agrees with. Can't make that shit up. Holy smokes, President Trump announces Medicare co-pays for weight loss drugs will plummet from $1,350 to just $50. As one of the CEOs and executives, one of the executives for Ozempic collapses to the ground. Yep.
$50.
Crazy. Just in, Samurai Wallet developer Keone Rodriguez has just been sentenced to 5 years for federal prison. What? I thought he was going to get out of this. The maximum allowed for conspiring to operate unlicensed money transferring business. All right. Oh, that sucks. I thought you were done with that. President Trump on Nancy Pelosi announcing her long-awaited and overdue retirement. I think she's an evil woman.
Nancy Pelosi.
Is this after?
Thank you, press. Thank you, press.
About Nancy Pelosi.
Oh, it's just press. Okay.
I think she's an evil woman. I'm glad she's retiring. I think she did the country a great service by retiring. I think she was a tremendous liability for the country.
Damn.
I thought she was an evil woman who did a poor job, who cost the country a lot.
Jeez, lay it in.
And in reputation. God. I thought she was terrible. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, press. Thank you, press.
What the hell? Okay. More Optimus robots. Reported this is really crazy. Median age. Yes, the median age of these home buyers is now 40 years old. We talked about this morning as well, guys. I think we might have actually caught this exact clip. Let's see this one real quick.
The other data point, guys, that
more
I
doom.
to bring up. This is really crazy. So we got some data from the National Association of Realtors on housing. We've been talking about here on this show for a while. Diana Olick has been talking about how difficult it is out there to buy a home, the affordability challenges, the mortgage rates. Did you guys see this? The median age of first-time home buyer, 40 years old.
The average age of a first-time home buyer in 2025 is 40 years old. They show the chart too, I think, right? No, I think I saw the chart on X somewhere, but it's insane. It's absolutely insane. It's incredible. That means, of course, by the time you have kids and they're old enough to, move out, you're gonna have to wait till they're literally in their 50s now, probably. The rate we're going, when the average price of a home is $1 million, they ain't getting no damn house, unless maybe we can start 3D printing them at a crazy rate, and we do some sort of. It's the land that's going to be astronomical by then. I don't know. Let's see, median home. Oh, I'm sure I'll find it like this. There it is, right there. That's the chart I was looking for. All right, so yeah, you can see here, we've now raised it up to 40 at the age of 40. That's yeah. These are the only people buying right now. So the green right here is repeat buyers of homes, right? The purple or the pink is all buyers of homes, right? And this one here, the yellow, is first time home buyers in 2025. It should be going down, not up. That should be going down, not up. And it's continuing to just go up. So yeah, guys, more doom. More doom. It's never going to end. It's never going to end. All right. Let's get into some normie search history. And if we have some time at the end, I'd like to do maybe some another TikTok, doom scrolling, especially if I'm still tipsy by then. Which I think I pretty much will be. Marshawn Neeland. I don't know any of these people. Any of them. None of them. Probably all sports players. All right, moving on. So yeah, we're looking at, of course, the normie search history for the day. So guys, of course, we grade them on a traditional grading scale, A through F, based on anything they're searching today that's relative to our space, which usually, guys, spoiler alert, they get an F. We grade them on that, based on 3 things they typically search for. Sadly, it's just sports, video games, and celebrities. Let's see what they're looking up today. Sports ball. Normies love their sports. All this is sports ball, I'm assuming. Grand Theft Auto 6. Yeah, video games. You got guys. I'm assuming does celebrity, or maybe someone was in a disguise. They wanted to know what a guise meant. I don't know. This Death by Lightning. Oh, President Garfield, James Garfield, Death by Lightning. Okay. Bear Cub Cup Starbucks. This is the 3rd day now. What the F is going on?
Stupid?
Why do people keep searching this? I have to search now because the normies deem it so. It's very important, guys. This is a very important cup, all right, at Starbucks. I need to know because the normies know. Okay. I mean, I'm not going to lie. It looks pretty cool. It looks like basically a honey jar. Oh, my God. Oh, God. So that's it. That's the new Starbucks cup. So this is what's getting people to spend money right now.
I'd buy that for $1.
Or maybe 20. Let's see. So yeah, Thursday afternoon, the barista, which appears specifically designed for holding cold beverages, is already listed on eBay for as much as $600. So people are scalping them. So they're continuing to Google for them, and people are probably spending astronomical prices on eBay for it. And that's all I'm going to talk about today. What the hell? It's a cup. It's a cup. Oh my God. Okay. So that's still in the top searches on Google. 3rd day in a row. College board. Airports affecting by shutdown. All of them. All of them. All of them. I kind of want to give the normies that this is kind of important. They should pay attention to what's going on in the economy. Gordon Finlay, Norvo Nordisk. We got some stocks in here. Trump RX. Again, we played bingo today, guys. We got robbed. Yet again, we got robbed. Because that guy collapsed, unfortunately. I don't know if he died or not. Hopefully he didn't die. Hopefully he wasn't on OZ. I don't want to wish that upon my worst enemy. We just don't know. We got robbed because that was cut so short, right? It was cut so short. Crumble cookies. I don't know, that free cookie at Crumble Cookie, I guess. UTSA versus South Florida. Sports. Wicked one wonderful night. A Wicked special on NBC. I don't know. Pelosi's trending. Tudum. I don't know who that is. Stranger Things. Tudum? Tudum? I don't know. Elon Musk. Gremlins 3. Shut up. Shut up.
What are
No, no, that's not real. Apparently it is. I don't know. It's Gremlins 3 movie. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm an old soul. I like everything from the 80s. Oh my god. Oh boy. So yeah, what's going on with that? Let's see. Let's find out. It's one of those weird ones where, you know, the second one was better than the first. But yeah, it looks like they're actually going to make a Gremlins 3. Holy hell. Never thought I'd ever say that out loud. That's crazy. All right, cool. Well, I'm hoping it comes out soon. It looks like it's a fan trailer. Oh, come on. I don't know. 2027 release date. Okay, so it is real. Okay, it is real. All right, going back to it. Got distracted by the normies. Damn it. This is why they can't make any money, man. Because they're too distracted by all this shit. God. All right, where were we? I already lost it. Oh, jeez. All right, Gremlins 3. We're at Gremlins 3. Come on. Load. That's by Lightning. Gremlins 3. Capitals vs. Penguins. Eric Spoelstra. I don't know who the hell that is. GA Southern. Craig Stammen. I don't know any of this crap. And Eternal City, which sounds like something out of Wizard of Oz. I don't know. But that's what the guys got. Normies, of course, get. I'm gonna give it an F+. Screw it. I'll be nice today. I'll be giving an F+. They did search Trump RX. They did search, shutdowns for. Yeah, I'm probably being really nice about this. The airports, and Pelosi. Yeah, screw it. And Elon Musk, whatever. People paying attention to stocks at least a little bit today. All right, let's see how Bitcoin's doing, guys. Again, it's not been great. Google keeps crashing every time I pull this up. That's weird. Elmo, fix it, Helmo. All right, there we go. Okay, the past 7 days we've had one spike in Bitcoin. Damn, this is crazy. Wow, and it wasn't even a good spike. It looks like, holy crap, this is really bad, guys. 58, and I'm assuming it's 100, but I can't clip it. Yeah, it's 100. That's really bad. Wow, and that was only on November 1st. Wow. This is really bad. These are the lowest we've ever seen Bitcoin's Google search history. 30s on the day. 30s on the peaks of the day. That's terrible. This is bad. All right, Ethereum. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Doge, everything coming down in relevancy. Again, I think we're kind of winding down for the year, guys. I'm telling you. It's starting to feel that way. The search history's got at least do. All right. Let's get back to it. Let's do, of course, more doom. Looks like Bitcoin right now has recovered back to 101.5. See, I guess that's at least slightly better news now. Again, we're still really tight at the very bottom here. Again, on the verge of possibly another move to the upside and a further tightening for the remaining of the week. That's probably going to end up being in a very long short squeeze in the aftermath of what we're going to find next week. All right. Let's get back in the chat. The beast is a boso. What? I just can't stop hiccuping now. Oh, God. Bank of England? No. Bank of Tyranny, says Jake. I'd smash that robot, says Maximus Diamond Hands, and that is why we can't have them. Not just yet. Not yet. But of course, like I always tell you guys, they're going to replace all your friends and family and loved ones and people in the bedrooms and everything. Says, don't remind me, Cliff, says Jake the Snake. Mr. T announced the TrumpRx.gov. Yes, that was reality. We saw that. TrumpRx. Yep. That's as bad as Obamacare. Yep. Yep. Ridiculous.
Stupid.
Anybody buying a home at these prices is so, screwed. Yeah, they're so screwed, Jake. Jake the Snake, Tom, home buying now? Nope. Renting the same place the longest I've ever, if I live anywhere, waiting for the housing property prices to correct. Just letting it flow, says Cliff. Yeah, I'm right there with you. It was one of my, one of the things we went over, I think it was like 4 months ago. We actually flipped the affordability from buying a home. It's now more expensive to buy a home than it is to rent. In general, just because of the property taxes and the home ownership, just like fixing everything in a home, to fix anything now in a house has doubled since COVID. I mean, a roof used to cost you like maybe, I don't know, maybe less than 10 grand, just under 10 grand. Now it's going to cost you like 15, 20 grand, depending on the size of your home, your roof. And then you have, of course, HVAC. HVAC's definitely gone up. You have, of course, utilities. Oh my God. The utilities have gone up. My water bill before I left was expected to get to $200 by 2026. And I was like, that's that. I'm out. I paid $50 for like the first 5 years I lived there. Anyway, so I sold my house. That was long and short of it. Cliff says, sorry if I missed something here. I'm mowing the grass under the moonlight, says Cliff. Yes, bring on the doom, says Gamma. Let's bring it, guys. Let's bring it. Man, Bush gets it. Royal Yard Mower. Cliff says, Otaku sparked something, perhaps an aha moment. I'm good at buying before dips. Geez, Cliff. Aren't we all, Cliff? Aren't we all? Yep, we aren't we all. Yeah. I'm telling you, the search history on Google spooked me for sure. Definitely was an aha moment for sure, Cliff. All right. So yeah, sitting at 101,500 right now on Bitcoin. Where are we likely to head? Well, we still have this channel up here. I keep telling us we're going to get back above water at some point, right? I don't know. I'm not feeling it anymore. At least not for the current moment. We got to get through the maybe the middle of the month. By maybe the 15th or 16th, we could, of course, get really exhausted down here. Again, we need 2 weeks to capitulate and find, of course, a new bottom. And we just found a new low, so it's going to take a while. Again, we're only on day 2 since the new low, going into day 3. Again, this puts us out, like I said, probably 15th, 16th, something like that, for this new breakout. If we do, of course, see that before the end of the year, will put us, where are we, right about here. Why am I'm not getting days anymore, come on. I really don't want to pay for trading view. All right, there we go. So we're looking at 12 days. 12 days will be the 16th, 17th, 14th, 14 days. That might be enough time. That would be Monday, before Monday, Sunday. Probably Sunday the 16th. Damn, Sunday's the 16th on a Sunday. So it's possible we start to recover by then. And what I'm referring to is, you guys remember the previous open we had. This will be the third or fourth time I show it, so bear with me if you guys have heard me do it before. So again, going back to October 1st, right? From September, we did see a huge rally from a low, a new bottom we had there, back on, where was it? Where was it? Here. That was September 29th. Yep, September 29th. We were sitting at $109,000 Bitcoin. We ran that all the way back up to, was it the new previous all-time high, which was sitting at $126,000, and we did that in about like 12 days, 12 days. Yeah, 12 days. I think maybe a little longer if you count when we fell, but yeah, that's what we're looking at there. So I think if we go back to where we fell here, we have 2 weeks to consolidate and we get some more bullish momentum. It's possible we do start to see a break back to the upside somewhere between the 16th and the 18th. 18th would be more likely because it's a Tuesday, and you don't have all the weird stuff happening in the middle. But it's still a possibility that we do get something announced, sort of catalyst that breaks us to the upside, and of course start moving on that Sunday on the 16th. So anyway, guys, we need time. We just need time. As of right now, we need time to figure out if we're going to still run this year or we're done this year, and then of course plan by year for 2026. We're still following gold, right? We're still following gold. That's this indicator right here. We're still following gold. That's gold, of course, lagging indicator out 2-3 months from, of course, where we are here now. It's still playing out until the end of the year, still showing the possibility of us reaching $150,000 Bitcoin. And then, of course, the other one, which I keep sharing with you guys now, which is the gold ETF on top of Bitcoin. So price action against gold's ETF approval back in the early 2000s also mimics where we are now. It's crazy. Again, a bit diminished because of where we are maybe in this political cycle. I don't know. But yeah, still a very big days to come. And again, it puts us right around $1 million for that 2030 target, which everyone, of course, is still predicting, right? So it's amazing. It's amazing how this all kind of plays into it. All right, psychology of the markets, I say. Psychology of the markets. All right, moving into it, guys. Let's do, of course, some chaos magic. We gotta, of course, do it before we head out tonight. But that's just my general sentiment right now. I think we just need time. I think we just need some time to consolidate and figure some things out. All right, so right now we're looking at Bitcoin sitting at 101,400. Again, still stuck in this range, 100,000 and 105. It's rough. We're in a very, very, very tight range, and to me, it just screams short squeeze. It just screams short squeeze. And I'm just, of course, double checking this before we move further. And yeah, we are in a very, very tight range. 100,000, 105,000. And that's it. I wouldn't even argue to say, wow, as of today, this is just today's. If the bears keep us down even lower now, we can be stuck at 102. That is, of course, just the daily though. This is the weekly. And yeah, 105 is still kind of the general range where we're ranging between 100 and 105. All right. So anyway, that's where we're at. Let's dive into it, guys, and see where Bitcoin's likely to head tonight. Of course, more winning. More winning. I want to be wrong, guys. I'm tired of being right now. It's been weeks and weeks and weeks without having any sort of falter. We need to be wrong. We need to be wrong in a huge way. So I hope we see that soon. I hope we see that really soon. Yeah, I really do. Come on. Load. All right, let's do some chaos magic, guys. Of course, sacrificing more money today. And all I got is $1. That's all I got left. Oh, just $1. All right, we're going to burn that tonight. I've got part of a 10. I burnt the last 100 I had because Max last night came on the channel. If you guys didn't catch that, last night was insane. Maximus Crypto came on the channel. And he dropped 100 while I was drunk, and then we got raided by bots. It was intense. It was insane. Yeah, go back and see that if you don't believe me. But yeah, we ended up burning a $100 bill last night because of Max, as well as a 10. Yeah, we did burn a 10. That's the remnants of it from last night as well. That was Colin, I believe. Was Colin, I believe. All right. Let's burn it, guys. I'm burning $1. All right, here we go. Of course, the first step in chaos magic. If I can get the wick. Oh, I need to put a new candle in here. Whoa. Come on. There we go. It lives. There it is, guys. The chaos candle has been lit. We're going to start chaos magic. I gotta clean the altar. It's definitely seen better days. Better days. All right, there we go, guys. Just a view into the action here. Back to the studio. Yes. So yes, we're gonna be burning $100. No, $1. That's all I got. Is $1. Okay, so first, of course, we're gonna be idolizing the moon tonight in our chaos magic ritual. I'm gonna be putting on Tiger's Eye. Tonight, I'm going to use Tiger's Eye. Cliff coming with a $5 super chat. Oh, Jesus. Cliff says, I checked to see if my credit card still works here. Bullish. Dancing with the flames tonight. Thanks again, Cliff. I appreciate it. Oh, jeez, Cliff. So, yes, I'm going to be using Tiger Eye tonight. Because I feel like we need some courage. We need some courage to get through this, guys, and no better than Tiger's Eye for that. Because we're in a very, very crucial time. We need to stay above 100,000. All right. So yeah, we're gonna be throwing Tiger's Eye on there. I'm gonna amplify it, throw my favorite clear quartz on there with it, and yeah, I am going to make our sacrifice. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Bye, George Washington. You wanted to go up fast. Holy hell. Georgie. We all float down here, Georgie. Okay. All right, the dollar has been sacrificed. George lives no more. Another dead president bites the dust. All right, guys, let's continue with that. I am now an instrument of chaos. Krokpeos, our mantra over the altar. and we're ready to do the business live. Let's, of course, figure out where Bitcoin's going to go next. There we go. Again, shout out to you guys, my big fans here on the chat tonight. Thanks again, guys, for coming out and supporting me. Yeah, we're, of course, Cliff is sitting at my number one fan at number 4, with 400 XP. Then we've got Jake the Snake. Whoa. Jake the Snake sitting at 150 XP, tied with Gamma Goddess for second place. Then we got number 3, Nebs guy. Nebs, of course, tied with a run of people. Oh my God, guys. I can't even say it. I just think most of you guys in the chat. This is probably the most we've seen tied for third ever. Look at this. I'm just gonna have to show you guys. Thanks again, guys, for all your love and support. For third place, tied Nebs, Lawrence, Hugo, Hey Guy, Matt Adam, Strawberry Dragons, Milk Bunny, Braveheart, and Cody, all tied. Also with Maximus Diamond Hands. I can't scroll down that far. All tied for fourth place? Third place. That's all just third place, guys. That's crazy. Thanks again, guys, for coming out and supporting the live stream. I really appreciate it. Of course, I can't do it without you. All right, let's go. I'm tied too, says Scrubs. Actually, no, you got 50. Sorry. You're number 4. You're 4th place. I'm not making that up either. I'm serious. Anyway. So yeah, sitting at 101, but you'll always be third place to me, Scrub, if that makes any better. If it makes you feel any better. Okay. Scrub says I have 100 noob taku. Yeah, okay. I guess that gets you the third place. All right, so yeah, 101,200 now. We're still tight. Here on the channel. Again, last time we were on here, we hit, of course, our baseline target right on top of the nose, and of course had a little bit of bearish action after the market opened, which pretty much mimicked what we also put on the board. Anyway, so baseline bear played out yesterday. We're going to find out where we're going to head tonight as well. I'm hoping to be wrong, guys. I used to say this all the time. I'm glad I can say it again, but I want to be so wrong in the right direction. I'll just say that. Okay. All right, so yeah, we're putting this, of course, the ritual sticks in place. We're currently sitting at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, and I'm putting these in place. Of course, you guys are the first time seeing this. 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock. These are all indicators of the time frames. I call them my ritual sticks, and this is where all the time, of course, moves. All the money moves in the market. So, of course, you know these three time frames. You know where all of the money's going to move in this side of the world or the other side of the world. All right. Okay, so quick little recap. All right, so we're going to do our baseline, of course, first. Baseline for Bitcoin still sitting above our I guess we're not tight enough here yet. Yeah, I should have corrected that before doing this, but whatever. It's just all kind of messy. All right, so yeah, this plays us out into about 3 o'clock in the morning. More than likely is a 70% chance of likelihood we're going to break down before it even gets to that end of that target. Of course, on this flag. And the flag's not even the bull one either. It's more of a bear flag. So scary. All right. Where does it take us? Okay. That takes us to about midnight. And the likelihood of us getting there before breaking out and squeezing is probably again maybe a little lower than 70%. I mean, breaking down, it's probably going to be 60-40. All right. So yeah, let's see if we got this going. Right. So a baseline target for Bitcoin. We're going to come back down, retest this, 10:30, 11 o'clock. Baseline says we'll hopefully break out. So I'm going to be a little bit bullish. As much as I can be sideways on a breakout. Right around midnight, we'll see again. Damn it, I forgot. We're 2 hours behind. And instead of being on par with them by 1 hour. Inversely. Shit. So right now in Japan, it is actually 11:30. No! Oh, damn! Whoa! Maximus Diamond Hands! You threw me off guard. I see orange! Tiebreaker! Oh, wow. Maximus Diamond Hands coming with a $20 super chat. for a tiebreaker. That's more than a tiebreaker, my man. That thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, Maximus. As I'm debating what time it is in Japan in my mind, you stunned me. Thanks again, Max. Thanks again.
Satoshi started fire in cyberspace.
We're burning it.
Take your fiat currency and feed the fire.
All right. I'm gonna pour another drink on you, my man. Thank you. Oh, jeez. Maximus Diamond Hands, 100%. All right, I'm gonna mix a drink real quick. Salute. Thanks again for supporting the channel, Max. Okay. Hopefully Bitcoin's got a little bit of a kick from that too. All right, we're still going sideways. All right, let's do this. All right, baseline target, right? Baseline target. Well, I'm just gonna do it regardless of where I think Japan's time is. Hope it'll all even out like it did last night. All right, so yeah, we see a little bit of a retest of 101.7. Hopefully you can break out of that right around midnight, 12:30. That'll be 102.3. If we can keep that going, then maybe the highest we'll see on a baseline target would be 102.8. Probably going to be short-lived though. Lose that pretty much. Bart Simpson it 101.4, and I'll be happy if we just stay sideways into the morning open. Honestly, that's probably the best outcome I'm gonna say we get, seeing what we see right now on the board. All right, here we go, guys. I'm probably gonna do bullish before I do bearish tonight, just to mix it up, because I feel some kind of way. All right. So yeah, we're still in the 15. Yep, we're still in the 15. Okay, here we go. A bull case scenario for Bitcoin. We break up a little earlier, 11:30, breaking back to 103,000 flat. 103,000 flat, breaking up to 103 to 12:45. 1 o'clock in the morning, breaking out 104,000. Maybe we get to 104.5. That's going to be our next key level. Lose that, and go back down to maybe, hopefully, keeping this 103 reclaiming the 103. Support level. Jeez.
What are you, stupid?
I'm drinking in that. All right, that's going to be our bull case scenario, and it's really not that bullish, but it's still it's the best we got right now under these circumstances. Again, possibly getting shorted out. This is why I saved not the best for last, but where I think you're probably going to go. All right, so yeah, for last 101,500. We come out here. We run this to the very edge of this bear flag. We come down here. We retest 109,900, and we lose it right around 3 o'clock in the morning. We may even go even further down to 98, and if we lose 98, of course, we're going to land to 97K. It'll be a new low. I don't want to see it. Hopefully, we can reclaim that and get a inverted head and shoulder relief rally in the morning. All right, that's going to be my better outcome for a bear case scenario tonight. And not free fall, right? We don't want to see a free fall about 93. It's possible. I don't want to say that. 93, of course, is still our super bear target. Super bear target heading us to the fire sale. 93 is the fire sale. It's not that far away. That's crazy. I'm saying that. It is absolutely insane. I'm saying that, but I'm saying it because it's true. It's true. That's the fire sale right there, guys. We've gotten so close to it. We're right next to it. We're literally on top of it. So I would not be surprised at all if we go back down and test that. As long as we hold that, I would say the cycle's still intact. If we lose 93, we do risk losing the entire cycle. Testing that 87K or whatever's down here on that key level we've been watching. Yeah, that would be terrifying. All right, so that's, of course, our super bear target and our super bull case scenario. If maybe some Saudi prince wants to go and buy, spend half their sovereign wealth fund on Bitcoin tonight, I'd be okay with that. Again, not suggesting anything or I'm not demanding anything from the universe. I'm just suggesting everything to it. Super bull case scenario for Bitcoin would be $130,000. Screw it. Let's just rip. Yeah, that would be our super bull case scenario, and it would be a lot cleaner than that. That's messy. That's super clean. Yeah. Let me do that one more time. Let me do that one more time. $130,000 Bitcoin. Yay! And maybe we can keep 125, our previous all-time high, as resist our support. That would be good. That would be a good day. Again, suggesting these all to the universe. We'll see what we're likely to get out of it. But if I were to be a betting man tonight, I would be saying it's probably going to be baseline bear. It's probably going to be baseline bear. They're going to want to short us out at least maybe one more time. It's looking pretty bearish. I want to be wrong, though. I'm telling you. I want to be wrong. Tomorrow morning. Please. 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 I'm demanding the universe to make me... Oh, no. I stopped there. Stop. I just stopped the... I had to stop. I just almost said something really dumb. I do not demand anything from the universe. We do not demand things from chaos, magic. We suggest them. All right. Y'all here to hear. Otaku's bullish. Oh, yep. I hope so. I hope so. DZ says, bruh, squad pumping LFG. Squad? SQD? Is that Squid? Squid Games? Is it a Squid Game token? I don't know what SQD is. Scrub says, Bear Taku. Guys, remember, I used to say this all the time. The super bear target, just go out there and just give the biggest bear you see a hug. He probably needs it, or she probably needs it. Yeah, go do that. Okay, go do that, and of course you'll help us go a little bit more to the upside if you do that. Okay, y'all here to hear. Yes, Otaku's bearish, bullish, says Cliff. Yeah. You guys are dividing the chat. What do I really mean? Taku just put a jinx on my bags. I just put a jinx on myself. I blew out the candle. I usually let that go until the end of the live stream. Yeah, I've never done that, but I almost said something I shouldn't have said. I might wake up and have my yard cut and the beaver moon dreams. Yes, going back to the beaver moon. Again, cheers to the beaver moon. That was a lot of fun last night, guys. That was a lot of fun. The beaver moon indicator was very hairy. It was very hairy. Oh, jeez. Okay, Cliff says, so many not yet in the last cycle. Sure, there will be upgrades in years to come, but full on cycles, bullish. We are here now in the forever cycle. I hope you're right, Cliff. I hope you're right. I mean, I still believe in 2026. I still believe that we're going to come back at some point in 2026. I just feel like they're going to want to freak everyone out, suck it dry, and of course, send it in like the first quarter, somewhere in the first quarter of 2026. That's still been my plan since the summer. Maximus Diamond Hand says, what did the fortune cookie say from last night? Oh, nothing great. Nothing too great. It just said, you will always have good luck in your personal affairs, which I do. I actually do. I'm a pretty lucky guy. If you guys didn't catch on Discord, speaking of luck, holy hell. Let's see. I don't know the exact metrics on this. I know roughly, but I did just start breeding Pokemon. And I just bred a shiny Charmander with perfect stats just the other day. I shared this in Discord. Absolutely insane. The odds of even getting a shiny Charmander are 1 in 4,000 or something like that. And to get a Pokemon with perfect stats is 1 in 6. Out of 1 out of there's 6 stats. And I don't know, 4,000 times 6 probably. I don't know. It's ridiculous. It's the astronomical even. So, and for me to do that in like 400 tries, 4 boxes of 30 Pokemon, I think. So 120 attempts. I got it in 120. And it's probably like 4,000 times whatever 6 times 6 is. 36. Oh, is that right? There's 36 outcomes for every single egg times 120, I guess. So I guess you could roll that into 4,000. I don't know. 2,888. The odds are definitely against my favor. Something like that. So I'm a pretty lucky guy. I definitely have found that in my life. I feel like the simulation just kind of works for me. It's weird. Anyway, I just wanted to share that because we're talking about the fortune. I do have another one tonight, so yeah, I guess I of course stick around for the post-credit scene. I've got one for every day the rest of this week. And then of course I got to go to the China buffet again. At some point. Oh, jeez. Cody says, can I sell those Pokemon for Bitcoin? No, I think a lot of people just kind of they just hack the game and they just make it so, right? Make it so. So yeah, you're not really gonna make money on selling perfect stat Pokemon. You could probably make $20. I'm sure someone out there will pay you, you know, $20-$50 for something like that, legitly. It's not really worth that much, I don't think, because of all the fake Pokemon. But again, Reggie Fils-Aimé, the previous Nintendo president, did say that blockchain was the perfect technology for Pokemon in the future. It's possible in the future it could be worth a lot of money if they ever, of course, get Pokemon on the blockchain successfully. And Sui is still the #1 pick for that project, guys. Again, don't forget all the partnerships that were made with Niantic and the Pokemon Company on the sweet blockchain. All right. Anyway, so that's all I got for you guys tonight. Thanks again for coming on out. Thanks again for Maximus Diamond Hands for that $20 clutch tonight. Thanks again, my man. Of course, my number one Maximus Diamond Hands on the top fans tonight, sitting at 1,125 XP, blowing everyone out of the water. All right, guys. Have a good one, and I will catch you guys again later. Again, we're gonna see. We're gonna see the market open. We'll see what happens. Hopefully, I'm wrong. I'm hoping that I'm wrong. With every fiber of my being. All right. Have a good one, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Later.
Fly me to the moon. Let me trade a montage. Let me see what freedom's like without money and gold bars. In other words, gold Nike. Oh! In other words, let's make history. Oh! Till I wanna be more coins and let me huddle forever more and more and more and more and more. I long for Hollywood shopping and door. In other words, I choose you. In other words, I love you.
To DCA or not to DCA? That is the question. Oh, jeez. Crypto Bo's coming with $1 super chat at the end of the live stream. Oh, yeah, but I'm getting dizzy too, my friend. tipsy, more like it. Yes, don't forget, guys. Tomorrow, get ready for tomorrow night. We're gonna have Gamma Goddess on the live. Last time she was on here, we had some of the largest amount of turnouts we've ever seen on the channel. I think that stream is up to like 800 views now. So again, I can't wait to have Gamma Goddess on tomorrow, guys. We're gonna have a lot of fun, of course, talking about crystals. I definitely want to get into the LCDs. Don't forget, we gotta talk about that tomorrow. Also, guys, we have another 4chan. What do we got? What do we got? Give me something good, damn it. I need something good. Bless us, the Beaver Moon. Still, you will be successful in your work. That's a good omen. You'll be successful in your work. Okay, I guess that's good enough. Hell yeah, Cody says hell yeah. Yes, let's freaking go Gamma tomorrow. Yes, I'll be lit tomorrow, fam. Yes, another night. I'll probably finish the bottle tonight, tomorrow, Gamma. I think by tomorrow we're gonna finish that bottle. Probably. Definitely by tomorrow's evening's open mic session for sure. Also, Cliff says Cliff did mention the after hours party on the Discord. We should probably start doing that at some point. Maybe that's where we could probably take Wicked Wednesday into. Cause guys, I do want to have Feed the Fire Friday live on YouTube. I do want to do that at some point. So prepare yourself for that. I'm going to be doing it probably starting in December. So I'm still planning around that. I'm going to have a lot of time to work on new assets in Florida. So I'm excited to see what I can come up with. Probably do a whole new shop offering too. I'm excited to see what I can come up with in Florida. Have a good one, guys. I will see you tomorrow morning. Bitcoin sitting at 101.5. All right. Later, peeps. Gamma's ready for the fireball tomorrow. Yep. Me too. Can't wait to see you tomorrow. Talk to you soon, Gamma. Peace.
Watch the cash burn, land fade. A new world rises, we've made the trade. The robot SHUTDOWN.
Bet.